Did you know that you can change your default dark theme on Telegram to a true dark theme? As you can see on the screen, it's possible, and I'll show you how. Open the Telegram app and click on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then, click on Settings. Select Chat Settings, and now we're in the right place to change the theme. First, Telegram offers the option to choose between day mode or night mode. This means you can customize the appearance of the app depending on the time of day. If you click Switch to day mode, you can choose from predefined themes for light mode. For dark mode, enable the night mode option. Then, click here and explore some of the predefined dark themes. You'll see the changes on the screen. The theme all the way to the right is the default one, and it includes a bit of blue and gray. If you want a completely dark theme, like the one I showed at the beginning of the video, select the theme all the way to the left. You can find even more themes by clicking Browse Themes. For the darkest themes, select Night here. This is useful for different types of screens to save battery and is also great for fans of black tones. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more similar tutorials.